Natalie! Good morning, darling. Thank you so much for reacting on my video. That stuff is so nice. Look at it here. It's already this small. Don't you feel sorry every time when you have to, cut your gelatin slice like that? It's so jiggly. Whee! And the taste, it's just delicious. So, I will show you what I got from, because we have a house in Bulgaria. We bought an old farmhouse, very cheap, and we are from the Netherlands ourselves, and we just want to rebuild this very beautiful place over there. And there they actually are selling all this kind of things. Look. So here you see all these gelatin packs. So when we were going on our way back to the Netherlands by car, we first, we had to drive through Bulgaria, and then we bought all these from the supermarkets, and then we came in Romania and we bought a lot more. And on our way back, I found some more of these packs. So I have enough to try all kinds of gelatin recipes that you have been showing. So guess what I will be doing? I also found these how do you call these things? The chicken feet. I'm gonna try to make the chicken feet with the I just need to figure out how, but yeah, I'm gonna try to make these too. You're such an inspiration to many people, and I love your jokes, the way you react to people, to the haters mostly. You're very strong, and you just act in love, and I love that so much. I just enjoy it with the Dory. It's just hilarious. No, bro. She's eating Dory. Okay, for everybody that is watching this video right now, I'm not sure if Natalie is gonna see this video, but guys, you need to follow this lady. She's just very, very, herself, and I just love it. And so, Natalie, if you are seeing this, thank you again for all the inspiration, and I am gonna be making many more gelatin things. So, bye, girl. Love you, and speak to you, I don't know, maybe sometime, some other time. Bye bye.